Hello, I'm BT, and in the last video we learned about count if. But in this one we're going to learn about concatenate. To do this, first we need some data. Here's a table with the data. And now we should extend this if you want to see all. What I'm going to write. So for this thing here, we will do equal concatenates. Concatenates. Then parentheses, and we will write C2, comma, not D2. And now click enter. We'll get Vrashashotya. And if I want to extend this, then we will get all of these dudes' names. Okay, but let's say you want to do it with a space. So for doing it with a space, we will need another concatenate function. So this is how it will be. First we will write equal concatenate. So we write this. After that we write these parentheses. And first we write C2, comma, but in this we have to write space here, then these. No. Space, and like this. So, wait, where's the thing? Here. Then space, no, comma, and then B2, D2. Vrashashotya. Now if I pull this down, this line, we will get everyone's name. Okay, that's how the concatenate function works. Remember to check out tutorial number 9. Always remember to have fun. Best television.